There's a short video. Got me some smoke sequential turn signal lights, the ones that are right there on the side of the door. Yep, that's the one. These are the ones I'm gonna put. I already put one on one side. That's the original one. Show the difference. You can see that's what the original ones is. It's not bad, you know. It's a nice light, bright. Now let's turn it off. Oh snap. Real easy to take off. You push back, boom, there it is. Yeah, it's got a little clip. Take that off. Real easy, one-handed. Boom. That's the originals. These are the smoke sequential lights. Pretty nice feature. It'll blend in with the, I think it's there you go. Same thing. Push it in. And it's in. There you go. Real simple. See, it blends in so it doesn't pop out like the orange ones. Yep. Pretty nice. It's not bad. It makes it stand out. Pretty cool lights. Yep. Replace these regular orange ones with the smoke sequential ones. Can't go wrong. Alrighty. Short video. Thanks for watching.